Hey, what is going on, brothers and sisters? Eric Rosen here, your internal strength coach, here to show you how to overcome your greatest challenges so you can shine your brightest light. I am actually recording on Sunday, February 3rd, but this is going to be your February 4th Monday video. Just thought I'd get outside here today, take advantage of the weather. This video is going to be all about intense emotional reactions. I think I've talked about this topic before, but because it's something that prevails in our life so much, it's always worth talking about again. So the idea is that we have these emotional reactions to things where we react to things just almost automatically. Someone insults us, we get mad, we insult them back. Someone criticizes us, we defend our work, and it's just this natural inclination to want to fire back at somebody as opposed to really just kind of standing there listening to them openly, and even more so than that, what it actually requires is you realizing that anytime something triggers you, that it's always an opportunity to learn more about yourself. That a lot of times when something triggers you emotionally, especially if it's an intense reaction, it's not even the thing that the person did. It has nothing to do with really the situation. A lot of times it just has to do with some underlying sensitivity that you have. So it's like rather than um, you know resist wanting to feel a certain way, and that resistance can turn into getting defensive or firing back at somebody, look at it as an opportunity to be like, huh, that's interesting. I know this sounds weird, but that's interesting. Like, what's this about? Like, why does this why does this make me angry? Why does this irritate me? Why does this hurt my feelings? Why does this make me sad? And you'd be surprised at how easy it is to actually get to the bottom of it just by asking yourself the question, like, what is this? What is this, reaction that I'm having? Like, what's the root cause of this? Like, what is it that I need to see in this situation? And a lot of times, you may say, I don't know, but you could even take it a step further, and I suggest you do, and say, okay, well, I don't know, which consciously you don't know, but subconsciously you do. Ask yourself, if I did know, like, what would that look like? Like almost like when your teacher in school would not take I don't know for, like an answer, like that would upset a teacher. Like they want you to like at least think and say something, like even if it's the wrong answer, like they want you to at least try. That's the same thing here, is just at least try to, put forth the effort. And the thing is that it seems like most of the time, like whatever answer you come up with is like the right answer, because unless you're just like doing it like out of frustration, like, oh, it's fucking this. Like if you actually like gave it a shot, you'd be surprised at what will come up for you. And then potentially you can probe even deeper and heal that aspect of yourself, because that's what this is about. It's not about, I don't want to feel this way anymore, or this person pisses me off, they're negative, which maybe they might be. Maybe you do need to get them out of your life, but it has more to do with like, this is so cool. This is an opportunity for healing. This is an opportunity for learning more about myself, and to like grow from it. So don't shy away from it. It's totally an opportunity. um, yeah, so that's what I got for you guys today. Just the, we get we react to a lot of stuff like throughout our day. Like it can be like the littlest thing or the biggest thing. Like it, it's not like everyone, for example, gets like mad, and like not everybody, but like the work commute. It can get frustrating, traffic jams and all that. But like if you ask yourself the question, like, why is this bothering me? Because that's not just because it happens to so many of us. Like that's a common thread for us all, that we get frustrated by something like traffic. Ask yourself, why is this really frustrating me? If it's like, well, it's because I'm late, and it's like, take it a step further. It's like, okay, well, you're running late, so like what impact does that have? Oh, well, my boss is going to be upset with me. Well, and then I might get fired, and then all this and this and this. And it's like, okay, well, number one, maybe you need to like take responsibility and like leave for work earlier and stop making fucking excuses like for why you're late. Like it's like the harder aspect of it. And then like the more, you know, softer aspect of it is that, like, okay, your boss is mad at you and maybe he writes you up or whatever, maybe you do lose your job, but does that make you like any less of like a person, a human being? Like, so what? You got fucking in trouble. Learn from that shit, you know, learn from it and grow from it, and then like start making, you know, like right choices like based on your experiences. So that's what I got, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Filmed on a Sunday for your Monday. All right, take care.